Hi everyone, how are you and welcome back. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this adorable 3D mushroom along with isolated chrome. So let's get started. This is new to me. I literally just got this in the mail today as I'm filming this video. And this is from Cordoza Nail Supply. This is her HEMA-free matte top coat. She said that this works excellent with isolated chrome. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply one coat of this matte top coat. I'm gonna put this in the lamp and give it a cure for manufacturer's instructions. I put it in my lamp for 60 seconds. While that is curing, let's start off with our 3D gel. Now, the gel that I am using is from Ugly Duckling. It is clear and it is also HEMA-free. I absolutely love this. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks when you're doing this. When you're doing this, I find one, please wear gloves. And I know someone's going to ask, well, how do you get the product not to stick to your hands? So when I'm working with 3D gel, I like to have some sort of metal spatula to take the product out of the pot. And I like to have a variety of silicone tools. So these 3 silicone tools I got from Wildflowers, but I do have something similar in my Amazon storefront. And recently I just got this in from the Dollar Tree, and this is silicone, and these also pop off, so that way it's easy cleaning for me. And I'm also going to use this as well. I find working with silicone tools and a silicone mat or silicone palette the best when using 3D gel. That way it won't stick to anything. I'm going to go in with the scoop end of my metal tool. And I'm going to pick up, oops, a tiny amount, something like this. I may go with, I'm going to get a little bit more. Okay. I'm now going to roll this into a tiny little ball. So when I'm done, we're going to pick this up. I'm going to put this right here. Then I'm going to go in with 2 different silicone tools. So you're going to need this pointed one, and I'm also going to use this round flat one. So first I want to flatten out this ball. So you can see from the side view, I'm just flattening it out. And since I pre-cleaned these, it's not sticking. Now I'm going to go in with the pointed silicone tool. I'm just going to move this around, pull it out a little bit, pull this up. Okay. And I'm also going to take this side over here, right here. I'm going to take this end and I'm going to push this way. And as I do, that'll lift this up. I'm going to zoom in really close so you can see this. See how this is going underneath? That is what you want to get right in there. Pull that out a little bit more. Now, in my opinion, it's okay if it's not smooth because it'll give the mushroom a little bit more depth and dimension. Okay, so once I get this how I want this, I'm going to pop this in the lamp. And in my lamp, I cure this for 30 seconds. That way I can put the chrome on top of this. While that is curing, we now need to create the stem of the mushroom. Okay. Then on my mat, I'm going to roll this out into a tiny little log like this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to pop this on. We're gonna go back in with this flat one. I'm gonna push part of this up, but I also want to push this down and give the base a little bit of like a flared edge. Then if I need to, I'll pop in with my other silicone tool and make sure this goes right in there where we made that opening. The chrome powder I am using, I bought it off of Amazon and it comes in a pack of 16. So this is in my Amazon storefront and you can get to that in the description of this video. So this is number 1. This is what this looks like. And then this is number 9. This is supposed to be a red, but when I put this over the clear, it almost, you can see in the lid, it almost kind of resembles like a burnt orange a little bit, which in my opinion turned out a lot better than doing a red. Very lightly, we don't need a lot of chrome when we're doing isolated chrome, no more than this. And I'm gonna put this red on top of the mushroom. And you can tell all those little lines that we put into the gel before we cured it is picking up so nice with this chrome. Dip in very lightly. Remember, you don't need a lot. Go in, just put that on here, like so. As you can see with the one I did previously, I have some white dots on the top and I added a little depth and dimension into the stem. So let me show you how I did that. I'm gonna dip in that gel paint and I'm just gonna put little dots everywhere in no particular pattern. Real quickly, I'm going to take my flash cure lamp and just cure that gel for a couple seconds before I put it in my full-size lamp. I have these 2 colors from On Vogue in the Lock It collection. One is called Enchantress and the other one is a Lock and Key. So I'm going to go in with the Enchantress. And on the underside of the mushroom here, if I zoom this in, this part of the mushroom, I'm literally just going to stick that gel, and it doesn't look like a lot. But trust me, it does help out. And these little teeny grooves that we made before, very lightly, I'm gonna add actually this Lock and Key in there. Just, and you won't see it that much now, but it does give this a little bit of dimension to this. Not a lot, just a little. Now I'm going to put this in the lamp for a full cure, and then we'll be right back with the top coat. And when that top coat goes on there, now you can see how everything comes together, including the little bits of added extra gel gel polish we added on to this on top of the chrome for a little extra oomph. Now I'm going to pop this in the lamp and I'll be right back to show you the whole set. Here is everything all together. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to create a 3D mushroom and doing isolated chrome. As I said before, everything I used will be listed in the description box below, and I will talk to everyone later. I will see you, and I will talk to everyone on Wednesday for AI Wednesday. I'll see you soon. Bye.